Interesting, to get this piece of trim off, you have to go up. That means this piece of trim has to come off because this is stopping it from coming off. I had to open the door to make it come off, so the door is slightly open. But also, it won't come off here because this piece of trim has to come off. So this screw has to come off, and there is a screw in here, there. I gotta take out, and probably there at the inside of the door at the same time. Same spot there and the inside. So that's what we're gonna do. We removed that piece of trim off the Camaro. Let's see what's going on here. I have it here on my table. Look at this bend. But I can get this perfect because there's no really kink in there. So we're gonna make a wooden mandrel and hammer this straight using strictly wood to touch this piece. Stay posted and see how I make out, because I'll get this kink out. It will look like new. So out of a piece of hardwood, I made a shape that should put this piece of trim back in. So if I put it in the track here, there, I can guide and use a soft mallet on this wood and then see if I can get this kink out. So that is my attempt. I played with it a bit now and made this piece of wood, and I made this a round edge because it had to go inside the trim, and I use it as this to go in the groove to get that kink out in the middle. So I did that and I went along. So I made this round, sanded it round so it's nice to curve. And of course this piece I used, and eventually this broke off. But I could still use it by putting this inside the track and then use this piece and hammered in there, so like that. And that one was successful. So I've got the trim as good as I can get it. I think I got the whole kink out, so watch. That is pretty good. That's the bottom part, so this is the top part. This is what you would see. But if you look at it too, I got it almost as good as new. There. I'm pretty happy with it, so leave it like that and put it back on the car. Got it finished. I'll put the trim right back on. So I'll just take you along what it looks like, and we can see what the damaged area look like. So there. I'm pretty happy with it. It's pretty good. Success! So I got this thing done. Looks pretty good. This is ready. I think that's going to work.